Hello, my name is Eric White. We're going to talk about print contrast a little bit. Contrast in anything is the difference between two values. So print contrast is going to be the difference between the absolute lightest tone on the page and the absolute darkest tone on the page. You see a big difference in print contrast when printing in grayscale or black and white. When you print in those formats, there's no color, so you see every gray dot, every black dot, and everything in between. So print contrast can be coupled with print quality. If you up the maximum quality or go to the maximum dots per inch and then increase your contrast, you can get a much greater density when you print. This can be important when you're printing the grayscale and black and white, and it can even cause colors to pop off the page. So just remember, print contrast is the difference between the lightest and the darkest colors on the page.